This video will show you how to make large lists in one line with a few examples. In the first example, we define our list with brackets and then type a mini loop for x in range 0 to 10. This will give 0 through 9 since it includes the first number but not the last in the range. So there's the last number in the range. In this next example, we will show you the same thing but with negative numbers. We will end the range at 11 this time so we can include positive 10. And here is the printout, negative 10 to 0 all the way to positive 10. Next, we will include an if statement inside our list comprehension. We will say if x mod 2 is equivalent to 0. So mod 2 is equivalent to 0. This puts numbers in the list that are even or divisible by 2. Next, we will do an if statement included with an else clause. Let's say if x mod 2, else do x squared, for x in range 0 to 20. This will print out all numbers in the range, and if the number is equivalent to 0 mod 2, it will square it. So 2 squared is 4, 3, and then 4 squared is 16, 5, and then 6 squared is 36, and so on. In this last example, we will use an inequality with our if statement. So if our x is greater than or equal to 0, we will keep it, else we replace it with a 1. So all the negative numbers should be replaced with a 1. And here's the printout. Sure enough, we have 1s all the way up to 0, and then the positive numbers. So there you have it. That is an introduction of how you do Python list comprehension.